Hi, my Donnas. Welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to do a topic on one of my Donnas sent me a message that I'm going to read. And guys, you are my judge and jury, so please leave your thoughts in the comment section. I am going to give my best feedback. I screenshot them, so I have to do them based on, and I have so much. So please take on the time with me. I am going to address all of them. Just give me time. It might be this week, it might be next week. Please come back and visit my page because I will be talking about your topic eventually. Okay, so please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you don't already subscribe. I want to give this young lady a shout out. She's an Asian. I went to the mall and I saw the top, this top. It said, "I survived everything that came to destroy me." See it? Yes, and I purchased two of her top. It was $25 for one, and this is he said, God is great. I think that's her brand. God is great. So maybe if you go on Instagram and type in God is great. I said I was gonna give her a shout out. It's been a minute, but I haven't been wearing the tops. So I said whenever I wear it, I will give her a shout out. As I said, she's a Asian, but we support our black queens. Um okay, so I am going to get right into the video. I am going to read what one of my queens said to me, and I'm just gonna share that with you guys. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so she says, I recently started a new job here in Florida. I moved from Tennessee about a month ago. I recently met a group of women in a work program from Jamaica, and I really want to know how to respect them fully. I really like the girl I work next to in the kitchen from Jamaica. Thank you for your advice. I enjoy learning your culture and how to respect a Jamaican woman properly. Thank you. Oh, that is so nice. The thing is this now, I'm not sure if he's a male or a female. What do you think, guys? I'm not sure. I didn't ask. All right. So, what do you think about that? How to respect Jamaican people and their culture? My advice, guys, please drop it in the comment section below. I'm just giving you my 2 cents. That if that were me, I would want somebody to um, just see how I flex or I move and just respect that. You've been working with around that person. Just take your time out to understand them. Don't rush into to don't push up too much, like meaning like force conversation or so, but always, say good morning, good evening, or how you're doing, how was your day, stuff like that. It's okay to ask simple, little simple questions, and like to compliment them and stuff like that. Like it's very simple because you're just getting to know them. So it's good to watch how they are working and how they are doing, and kind of just get to understand them individually, because everybody is different, and we can be very respectful, but also some of us can be very respectful and can be mean too. So just like any other culture, um, respect is good to give to each other. And even if, because we women to snap out of frustration, so you have to just be around. Once you be around them, just be warm and welcoming, because Jamaicans, a lot of them can be very, very warm and welcoming. So if you're not seeing anything that is turning you off from them, just be respectful to them. That's the best thing I can tell you, is to just be respectful to them, because sometimes we can be, you're working and you pressure, you're under pressure, or if they're under pressure and you see that they look down, try not to aggravate them when they're down, you know. Try not to get them upset or try to say things to them that will even make them even get worse. But if you see that they're looking down, sad, meaning that they look sad, cheer them up, you know, give them something, tell them something to kind of, you know, encourage them and cheer them up. But don't be disrespectful to them, because they can get off, and when we get off, we get off. So, but when we nice, we are nice. Trust me, but we can get off. So my advice is to just, once you are around them, you will eventually learn about them. So, and respect is always good to have when you're around anyone. Once you respect their, you know, their culture and their, you know, communicate with them with respect, they won't go to their way to disrespect you. Nobody is going to be disrespect you when you're being humble and be respectful. They're not going to just go disrespect you, especially you're in their face every day. Just show them some respect, because they are very respectable people. We can be very respectable, but when you get us out, we are out, you know. So you want to respect us, and you will get along with us, because we are not going to just get up in our workplace and just disrespect you like that. So, and I mean, that is not for everybody, because some people are different. Some people have different mentality in every culture. Some people just have different mentality, and you can't help them. But when you find good people, you can know them when you're around them for a period of time, because it's like when you're working into a workplace, it's like you live with that person. If you spend 8 hours with that person, you're eventually going to know them very soon, because it's like you live with them. Remember, you work here for 8 to 12 hours with this person on a shift, and they go home, they take a shower, they go to sleep for 6 hours, 7 hours, and go back to work tomorrow. It's like you spend most of your day with that person. So for you to be around them, you will gradually get to know who they are and what they don't stand for. Just be more on the quiet side and respect them. They want this. If they want their space, give it to them. So sometimes everybody need a space to breathe, so you have to give them that space, and you know, communicate with them with respect, because once you respect them, they automatically respect you. They're not going to go to their way to disrespect you. And as I said, in every culture you have different people, but one thing with us, we are not going to just get up and just, I mean, not for everybody, but when is a respectable person you met, you're not gonna just get up and like being mean to you. Um, if you see signs like they don't want to be around you, you can ask them and they will tell you. It's good to ask, but don't be nagging, you know, and ask in a respectful way. It can come off harsh. Am I being too much? Am I, you know, if you feel like you're that kind of person that is too friendly, because sometimes we put up our arms when we see people too friendly, because we don't know what the motive behind it. So we can like be very skeptic and like, you know, so you gotta be patient. Yeah, we read into things. We will read into things, and to see the kind of person you are. It's nice to be nice, but it can't be too nice, because we are gonna wonder what's the motive behind it, especially when you just meet somebody. You know, so I don't know if that is me. I don't know. Everybody is not the same, but yeah, but you can know a good heart person. We tend to pick up things. We can know a good heart person when we communicate with them after a period of time. But that's it. I leave my judge and my jury, Madonnas, them in the comment section. And remember, guys, please to give me a like on this video. And if you like my content, don't be afraid to tell me. Don't shy away from telling me if you like my contents, okay? So I have a list and a bunch of things that people send me that I have to do content on one by one, because I don't want to do them in a lot, because I want to explain myself and I don't want the video them to be 30, 40 minutes. Nobody's going to watch them. Okay? They're gonna say, "Oh, she's boring. I don't want to watch her. Oh God, oh my God, she again." You know what I mean? I don't want you to say that, so I don't want my video them to be too long. So I'm just gonna cut it short. Okay, guys, love or no, and wanna be safe. God bless you all. No, enough love. Bye, Madonnas. Remember to give me a thumbs up on the video. Adios. And only like my ballad, it soon grow. You like my ballad? Lord Jesus. Me a ballad soldier. Right?